Hello everyone, very good afternoon. We'll be starting in 5 minutes from now and let others also join. So please be patient. Yep. So let's get started, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's session. We have a very special guest with us today. He is Mr. Neeraj Chadawar. He is our head of research, fundamental and quant, and he'll be letting us know what a product Intraweek is all about and how you can gain advantage of it in the market by using Intraweek. So over to you, Neeraj sir. We can start.
Yeah, thank you, Aditya, and thank you to all the participants for taking time out for our special session on Axis Intellect Intra Week. So I hope my presentation is visible to everyone. Aditya, could you please confirm?
Yes, your presentation is visible.
Yeah, thank you. So let's get started. So Intraweek is a product offering under our just a sec. So Intraweek is a product offering under our umbrella belt, that is Axis Intellect. So we already having two long-term rebalance product that is known as aggressive AI and the balanced AI. So Intraweek is an offering specially curated for short-term trading ideas. So this is the investment mantra for this particular product, Axis Intellect Intraweek short-term trading ideas. So it's purely based on the data-driven approach. In this data-driven approach, we try to identify the market trend, and based on that market trend, we try to identify the top 10 stock which are likely to go up in next 1 week. We curated this thought process in a very systematic approach. This systematic approach talks about every Friday after the market hour, market closing, we run our model, and we run our model. Based on that, we try to identify the top 10 stock which likely to go up in next 1 week. So what one need to do, with the opening bell of Monday, you will get all the top 10 stock recommendation, and you are ready to invest in the market, hassle free process for next 1 week. We have thoroughly backtested our model. So in our backtesting, what we identified that the 70% accuracy for our model. Our model incorporate all the possible quantitative and the technical indicators, and based on that, we try to identify top 10 stocks which likely to go up in next 1 week. Every week, with the opening bell of Monday, we identify 10 stock. We need to hold those stock for next 1 week. With the opening bell of next Monday, we will get new set of stock based on the evolving market structure. So this is the mantra for Axis Intellect Intraweek. So let's see the unique process flow for the Axis Intellect Intraweek. So for Intraweek, we are having a universe of NSE 500, which stands for almost 94% of the Indian market cap. Now for each stock, we apply our proprietary model, which all possible quantitative and technical indicators. With this process, we try to remove those stock where we don't find any trend, where we don't find any forecasting accuracy. We try to remove those stocks, and with this removal, we left with now 300 stock out of initial 500. Now we run our proprietary model based on the regime model, which try to identify the market trend, where the market trend is going, and based on that market trend, we identify top 10 stock ideas which likely to go up in next 1 week. This strategy is a high risk, high return strategy, because on a weekly basis, we are identify the fresh set of stock. The process is very simple. It's a data driven process. We need to follow the discipline of the model. Every week we are finding the top 10 stocks. If we continue with this 52-week process, what we received in last 1 year, this, let's see our live performance. We had launched this strategy on 19th June 2023. Since then, this strategy has generated 54% return. And in last 1 year, the returns were almost around 33%. 6 months, it is 19%. 3 months, 6.9%. 2 months, 3%. And even in last 1 month, that was a very volatile month. Even in that volatile month, this trading strategy is generating positive return of 1.4%. So if we follow the discipline of intra-week, every week we get a fresh set of stock which is available, which likely to go up in the immediate week, and with the opening bell of next week we will have to rebalance with a fresh set of stock. So intra-week is a hassle-free process. With hassle-free process, we navigate the market volatility in a great way. We don't need to worry about when to buy, when to sell. We just need to follow the discipline of intra-week. If we follow, if we see the same table in a line chart, you could see this is our line chart for intra-week versus NSE 500 performance. Red line stands for intra-week. Starting from 19 June 2023 on a consistent basis, this strategy is outperforming the benchmark index. There are volatile periods in the journey of equity investment, but this intra-week try to identify the market trend. With a rebalance, we will sell the losers and try to add winners in our basket. What we have seen that in since our launch, the weekly rebalance could be in the range of 30 to 50%. So this is the power of intra-week. On a consistent basis, we are navigating the market volatility and beating the benchmark since inception by a wide margin. So let's break the intra-week performance on a weekly basis. How it looks. So here is a intra-week performance of last 10 weeks, starting from 13th May week. We know that in last 3 to 6 months, the market had seen multiple volatile period. The biggest volatile period was during the time of election week, when we had seen a huge amount of volatility rising due to the election result, which was not as per the market expectation. So the election result was due on 4th of June. So we had rebalanced this portfolio, this particular basket on 3rd of June with the opening bell of 3rd of June. 3rd June was a Monday. During that week, we had seen that 4th June, each indices saw a good amount of downfall. Even with that downfall, this basket has outperformed that volatile period. Basket has given a return of 1.6 and the entire market fall by 0.4% during that week. On an immediate basis, on a sequentially, we had seen recovery in the market with the formation of NDA 3.0 government. Market saw some breather. That's why the entire market went up by almost 1.2%. But these intra-week basket went up by 3.4%. So you could see the red bars for the intra-week. We had seen all types of environment in the rising cycle, the down cycle, but on a collective basis, this basket recovered faster when the market see recovery and able to navigate the market in a greater extent. If we see what are our current holdings, so what are our current holdings? So this is our current top ideas. So these are all our current top ideas of well curated ideas starting from this Monday to next Monday. So we do have Tata Consumer, Bharat Petroleum, Metropolis, Siemens, Eicher Motor, Adani Energy Solution, GlaxoSmithKline, Metro Brand, Brokerage Consumer, and Petronet LNG. So these top 10 ideas, this basket has predicted on Friday closing. We uploaded on the platform. Immediately T+1 day, client get the notification. So what one need to do on a Monday opening bell, we need to rebalance this basket. So let's have a look on previous week stocks. With this, we will able to understand that how this basket able to identify the right trend of stock at a right time. So let's see the previous week stocks. The previous week stocks historical top ideas. So these are the top ideas starting from 19 August to 26 August. Tata Consumer Product, global health, this basket is continuously holding Tata Consumer Products since long. We are also having Tata Consultancy Services. This basket has identified or continued Tata Consultancy Services from 19th August to 26th August. This TCS stock has already identified in the previous week also. Tata Consultancy Services on 12th of August, when we have seen a good amount of up rally started in TCS. Well before the rally, this basket has identified the trend in the IT sector, the TCS. We are already having TCS on 12th of August. We kept this TCS for 2 weeks, book profit, and we move towards the new trend which has emerged in the market. Let's have a look at the election week. What has happened during the time of election? Okay, just a second. So let's have a look on the budget day. What has happened during the time of budget day? So budget was on 23rd of July. So this is the top ideas this basket has picked up before the budget. So before the budget, we are also having good amount of stock which is covering Bharat Petroleum, Eicher Motor, Siemens, Cyient, Five Star Business Finance, Kajaria Ceramics, Adani Energy Solution, GlaxoSmithKline, and Alchem Laboratory. Before the budget, the market was in a very, very volatile phase, and that's why more amount of low beta stocks was there in our top idea recommendation. TCS, Alchem, Glaxo, Eicher Motor, Siemens, all are relatively high, low volatile stock or low beta stock as compared to the market. When we enter into the budget week, this is a budget week. When again we are holding the same type of stock, but what happened during next week? Immediately after the budget, the new trend has emerged. The metal stock, the Sham Metallics enter in our recommendation. Aurobindo Pharma, immediately after the budget, we have seen the market has moved towards more pharma oriented stock. So global health has also entered in our recommendation. Even the BPCL has also, we are continuing for with our recommendation. So so the idea behind Intraweek is that this particular Intraweek basket is able to navigate the market trend with the evolving market structure. With each evolving market structure, we get a fresh idea. We need to follow the discipline of Intraweek for entire year. If we follow the Intraweek discipline for entire year, what is a live performance? This is our live performance since inception 19th of June. This basket has delivered 54% return, and even in last 1 year 33% return. So the process over here is very simple. Every week we come up with a new fresh ideas for the market to navigate the market volatility in a great way. The minimum investment amount for this basket is 2 lakh rupees, and the platform fees is 4,999 plus GST. So this is about the journey of Intraweek. This Intraweek basket has a capability to navigate the market volatility and hassle-free process for investment for on a weekly basis for short-term trading ideas. It's a high risk, high return basket. We could see sharp movement in the basket, but if we follow the discipline for a longer period of time, this is a live performance. We could navigate the shorter period of volatility with the returns in a longer run. So this is about our intra-week performance and intra-week details. With this, I am ending my presentation and I am handing over floor to Aditya for further update. If you have any question, you can type in the chat box. We happy to answer all the questions.
Thank you so much, Neeraj sir, for those insights on our product Intraweek. Anyone having any questions, you can put it in the chat box. Those who are watching us live on YouTube, you can also put your questions on the YouTube live, and we'll be very happy to answer them. We have also put the Intraweek product link in the chat box. You can freely visit the page and look out for our product there also. And you can access our Intraweek basket from our Ring app, and it is also available on our website too.
So there is one question: what is a minimum period of investment? So there is no lock-in for any minimum period of investment, but ideally for any short-term trading product, one need to hold for at least for more than 12 months to get a fruitful benefit from the investments. So there is one more question: how much we have to invest? So the minimum investment amount is 2 lakh rupees, and the subscription charges are 4,999 plus GST. So there is one more question: are returns calculated considering brokerage and taxes? All returns shown over here are the gross returns. So there is one question where we can get top 10 stock. For this, you will have to go to our website, that is simple hai accessdirect.in. Under this, there is a section investing. Under investing, we will have to go to Access Intellect. Under Access Intellect, you will find Access Intraweek Basket. First, you will have to subscribe, then the ideas will be visible.
Everyone, we are here for more 2 minutes. Any other questions? Kindly put them in the chat, and we will be happy to answer them. Uh, we can see Mr. Jitain has raised his hand. You can please type your question in the chat. We can we will be very happy to answer it. So we have got a question on YouTube. What is the return on investment on this product, and what is the minimum investment amount? If you could tell, the minimum investment amount is 2 lakh rupees, and it also comes with a subscription charge. About the returns, Neeraj sir, can you please guide them? Neeraj sir, you're on mute if you are saying something. So about the return on investment, till now the basket has generated about 54% returns since inception against the benchmark. So hope that answer your question. Okay, so that's it for this session, guys. Thank you everyone who have joined on this session. Hope we were able to clear all your doubts about our product Intraweek, and we look forward to you getting our product and experiencing the kind of returns it is generating. So thank you so much for joining. Hope you have a great evening. Thank you.